Hello all viewers and students. Welcome to a new session of Psychomaths. In today's session, we will be learning a trick related to the power pyramid. Yes, this power pyramid trick will help you in the expansion of any power, that is, you can expand whether it is a plus b the whole raised to n as well as a minus b the whole raised to n. Now let me give you first the pattern of writing this pyramid. Now at the top we will be starting with 1. And then, as we know, pyramid always follows a triangular pattern. Pyramid always follows a triangular pattern. So in the second line, we will be going with, it is 1 and 1. Now again, going this ahead in the triangular base, in the triangular perimeter, or we can say in the triangular sides, it has to be, this corner will be 1 and this corner will also be 1. What we need to do is just leave this space in between. See, this is the first mark which stands for 1. Then again it is 1 and 1, but we have left a space in between. Now there won't be any digit in it. But as we keep on expanding the pyramid to the bottom, we need those spaces to be filled up with some number. As you can see over here, now we will fill it as 1 plus 1. Over here it will be 2. Then again expanding it. Now again in a triangular format. See how we will fill those places. And now it is 1 plus 2 is 3. Then again it is 1 plus 2 is 3. Yes, this is a Christmas time. So you may be visualizing like a Christmas tree, which is of green and red. Now so this Christmas tree, lighten up your minds with this expansion, which will help you to know the coefficients of a plus b or a minus b the whole raised to n. Now see, again we are going in a pyramid, in a tree format of a Christmas tree. We are going in this manner, but what we are doing is, in between we are getting few gifts as addition. Now this is 1 plus 3 becomes 4. Over here 3 plus 3 will become 6. Again 3 plus 1, it comes to 4. Again, let us keep on expanding. See, this tree can go and on and on and on and on. This tree will help you to know the coefficients. When you are expanding, yes, you will be getting a trick for the coefficients. But students, make it sure there is something additional. How to write a and b with their respective powers. So I will keep on expanding as much as possible. Okay, so you can do as per your requirement, but students, make it a point, when you go to the higher standards, this coefficients can also be done on the basis of the chapter called combinations. But at the base level, students are not acquainted with the combinations, and hence I am showing you this trick with the help of a power pyramid. And this way, see, this Christmas tree is growing. It's growing and growing and growing. Yes or no? So over here, I will take it, I will show the coefficients. See, 1 plus 6 is 7. 6 plus 15 is 21. 15 plus 20 is 35. 20 plus 15 is also 35. 15 plus 6 is 21. And again, 6 plus 1 is 7. We can expand more. And just see, we keep on getting the coefficients of the higher powers. We keep on getting the coefficients of higher power. Now see, this is 8, this is 28, this is 56, this is 70. This is again 56. This is 28. And see, this is again 8. And this way you keep on increasing the pyramid. Now let me show where it will help you. Now this is the coefficient, the first one which we have written. It is for a plus or minus b raised to 0. Then it is for a plus or minus b raised to 1. Then check, it is a plus or minus b the whole raised to 2. Then these are the coefficients. See in this line 1, 3, 3, 1 are the coefficients for a plus b the whole cube. Then a plus or minus b the whole raised to 4. A plus or minus b whole raised to 5. So you can go till wherever you want. I know this is a bit time consuming. You won't be required till raised to 7 or raised to 8. But since it's a trick which is based on power pyramid, you also keep on expanding it as much as you want. So tricks are basically for fun and quickly recollecting the things without any confusions. Okay, so now let me start with, let us say I want to go with a plus or minus b the whole raised to 0. Let us solve it now. A plus b the whole raised to 0 or minus, let us go with plus first. So everybody knows anything raised to 0 is what? 1. Or even if we say it is a minus b the whole raised to 0, students, a minus b the whole raised to 0, still anything raised to 0 is 1. Now let us try this for a plus b the whole raised to 1. Now students, if it is a plus b the whole raised to 1, it will be just a plus b. So sir, where are we getting these coefficients now? See, at the second level, coefficients are 1 and 1. Or to keep the color same, see here it is 1 and 1. And since the whole raised to 1, maximum power of a and b both are 1. Similarly over here, when it comes to a minus b the whole raised to 1, this will be what? A minus b. Now check the coefficients. Here both are 1 and 1. Let us go ahead. Everybody is acquainted with the square. But how to write it? See, the highest power is 2. So we will write it as a square a. And then it has to be a raised to 0. But a raised to 0 is what? 1. So we don't write it over there. But starting in the reverse manner, it is highest power of b is square. Then it is b. Here it has to be b raised to 0. But that is 1. So we don't put it over here. Now sir, how are the coefficients helpful over here? See, when it is a plus or minus b the whole square, the coefficients are 1, 2 and 1. See, at the beginning and end it is 1 and at the middle it is 2. And since the middle sign, since the sign in the center is plus, this all will be plus. So then how shall we follow in case of a minus b the whole square? Similarly, the powers, the way of writing a and b won't change. Even the coefficient remains the same. Remain the same. What we need to do is just, since the sign in the middle is minus, the first term a square is positive, the second term will be negative, and the third term is positive again. Okay, let us check ahead with a plus b the whole cube. Now in a plus b the whole cube, now you all tell me what will happen. We should start with a cube. then we should write a square, then we should write a, and then a raised to 0 is 1. So we need not write a raised to 0 at the end. But at the same place, we need to continue in the reverse manner. In the reverse manner, we need to take it as b cube, b square, b, and b raised to 0. B raised to 0 is not supposed to be written. Now check the coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. At the beginning is 1, at the end is also 1, and in the center coefficients are 3. Now same thing you are supposed to write when it is a minus. See, I know there we are left out with putting the signs, but I have purposefully left it out because I want to show you the basic difference between it. See, the expansion of the powers of a and b are same. Not even that, the coefficients are same. Coefficients are also the same. See, it is 1, 3, 3 and 1. But, since here it is a plus b, all sign will be positive. But in the next, when it is a minus b, the first term is positive, second is negative, third is positive, and fourth is again negative. Now let us try something greater, just like a plus b the whole raised to 7 and a minus b the whole raised to 7. I think you'll have got the technique of doing the same. So let's try out raised to 7. Now when it is a plus b the whole raised to 7, students, it is a raised to 7, then a raised to 6, then a raised to 5, a raised to 4, a raised to 3, a raised to 2, a raised to 1, and lastly it is a raised to 0, which we need not write. But from the same place, we need to start b raised to 7, b raised to 6, b raised to 5, b raised to 4, b raised to 3, b raised to 2, b raised to 1 is b, and b raised to 0 is 1. We need not write it. Now check the coefficient over here, a plus or minus b the whole raised to 7. At the beginning and at end it is 1. Then the coefficients are 7, 21, 35, 35, 21 and 7 again. Now let us check when it is plus or minus, everything will be the same, only the sign will change. See, I'm just doing copy paste over here. So that you understand the clarity. It doesn't matter whether it is a plus or minus, expansions of the powers and coefficients are same. The only thing is the sign between them changes alternatively. Okay, so see this, I have written both in the same manner. Yes, students, are you getting it? Okay. So now let's put the sign. Since it is positive, all are positive over here. All are positive. Or else, since there are many things over here, let me make it a simplified thing for you. Let me make the thing simplified for you. I write it over here with black if possible over here. Okay. So see, I'm writing with black so that it is easily identifiable. Since there are too many digits and letters over here, since it's positive, all will be positive. But here, since it is negative, the first will be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and then again it is negative. So just start with the first one. Whenever the middle term sign is minus, just start with the first term as positive, positive, negative, and wherever it ends doesn't matter. Okay, students. Okay, viewers. I hope you'll have got the trick, and please share the knowledge as much as you can. Okay. Thank you from the end of Psychomaths. Thanks a lot. Keep watching Psychomaths.